Hello students, I am Priyanka from Sandpoint Institute Belagavi. Hope you all are doing good. So you might be already knowing what I am going to confirm in this particular video. Yes, so you know it already. So the HK 181 WRD exam dates have been announced today. So the compulsory Kannada paper is on 30th July 2021 and the specific, that is civil and mechanical engineering paper, is on 31st July 2021 and the general studies paper is on 1st July 2021. So how much time you are having? You are having 1 month, 1 week of the time. Okay. So now students are calling me and they are saying, ma'am, I am panic. I don't know how I have to study in this 1 month of time. I don't know how I have to do the revision, all those things. See, it's very difficult if you start the fresh preparation from now onwards, because the notification had happened exactly 1 year before. So if you check the dates, the notification had happened on 24th June 2020. So 1 year time with Nimaga, that time you didn't take the things seriously, and now you are running behind me asking ki give me the tips or give me the strategies how I have to study. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು ಮೊದಲೇ ಹಿಡ್ದೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ನಿ, keep studying, it will be useful for one or the other day. So the students who have listened to my words, I don't know how many of you have listened to my words, so you would have at least now realized why I used to say those many times, because see, it's just 1 month of time now, which is very difficult. I will tell you the same thing will happen even for PWD also. So they might give you 1 or 1.5 month time, wherein the preparation from the scratch will be practically very difficult. No one can study in that 1 month of time. So start studying for PWD also seriously. So as you guys are wanting the strategies, and many of you are calling me for the inquiry of the registration of the course. Okay, so already the entire package is available, but now considering the very short period, we are trying to reduce the fees of the package, wherein we will be giving the access for the package for 2 months of the time. Okay, so that whichever the subjects, and also along with this we will be making one more package wherein we are adding only very important subject, that is high weightage subjects, because this is the 11th hour of the time, so you cannot complete the entire syllabus. So at least important subjects adru prepare madri, again the fees of that will be very less. So all these detailed strategies, and even we are planning to conduct the quick revision classes of 2 days per subject also. So all those plans and even test series are also available. So each and every strategy what Sandpoint will be offering for you guys, I will be making the clear announcement tomorrow. So before 2 p.m. you will be having a video on this strategy in our YouTube channel. So wait for that. Do not panic, do not get scared, do not feel blank. Just have dinner properly, sleep well, and whatever I will be discussing tomorrow, you just follow that strategy accordingly to get the best of the best results from the upcoming exam. So all the very best, study well, stay tuned.